Hey, what's up guys? Bringing you a short video today. Picked up a second-hand welder. It's a stick welder. Don't have one, never used one, so we're gonna do some work to it. Needs a little work so that we can use it, and then we're gonna test it out, and we'll do the testing in the next video on welding up a welding cart for the welder itself, because it's pretty heavy. So we'll show you what we have to do to get it running, and we'll be right back with you. Alright, so we have this style plug that's on the welder right now, was added from the second-hand person, not what come with it, but it is a 220 welder. So we have to put this plug on so that we can use it for right now, and so that's what we're going to do right now today. So first thing first, we have 4 screws we have to remove on this, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom here, and that's what we're going to do right now. Alright, so now that I brought that piece off, now we got to unconnect the wires, and we're going to go from there. And these are labeled, so there's a black is the X, ground is the green, and we also have a white for a Y for white. Okay, there we go. That plugs off, so let's get the new one, and we gotta unscrew some things so that we can get into this one also. The new one has 6 screws that we have to take off, 4 on this back side and 2 up on here. Alright, so here we go, we got it open. This top one's going to be the ground. Alright, so put the wires up through. I'm going to tighten this so it holds the wire in place, and then we'll go ahead and attach these wires. So that's now tight, and now we're going to go ahead and attach these wires here. So we're going to get this nice and close. You got to tap these out so that you can get on to where the screw is, which this is a flathead, everything else is a Phillips. Loosen this up, put the wire in, and you're going to tighten it down. So let me finish this real quick, and we'll be right back. So we got her wired up. We just got to screw in these last 4 bolts, and then we'll plug her in and see if we got power. And then we'll take you along for the ride. Alright, so I'm going to show you the welder real quick, and then we'll set you up so you can see when we power it on. So I'll take you around here real quick, and we'll do a quick flip around on the camera. And so we got this Hobart Stickmate LX. Alright, so we got it plugged in, and we are going to turn it on. Let's see if it works. We got power. So that's good news. So thank you for tuning in to this short video that we are making. In the next video, we will probably be bringing you, we're going to test this stick welder. Never used a stick welder before, only MIG. And then we will test it on making a cart for this, because this thing is not light. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe and hit the like button.